Every single day at your desk, you face a constant, overwhelming stream of alerts demanding your immediate attention. An email pinging your inbox, a text message about a delivery, a ringing phone, or a printed QR code. We process most of these routines without a second thought. But tucked away among the safe messages are carefully designed traps. We used to only worry about what popped up on our desktop monitors. Today, cyber threats follow us to every device we touch. These traps are called phishing. It is an attack built to trick you into handing over your passwords or granting unauthorized access to company data. To make the trick work, attackers wear a disguise. They will pose as your direct manager, the IT department, or a bank you recognize. Attackers combine a mask of deception, a cloak of urgency, and a handshake of trust to create a trap. This ticking clock is the engine. By rushing you, they force you to act on reflex instead of thinking. Once you know they are trying to manipulate your emotions to speed you up, you can spot the trap, no matter what form it takes. We start with the oldest and most common trap, email phishing. Picture an urgent message landing in your inbox right before a deadline, loudly claiming your corporate account is about to be disabled. Look at this email interface. Two immediate warning signs stand out. The sender address does not actually match the company name, and the login button directs you to a fake website. Sometimes the danger is not a link, but an unexpected file attachment designed to install malicious software the moment you open it. The simple rule is to treat your inbox with caution. Every urgent or unexpected email needs a deliberate second look before you click. That same caution applies when we step away from our computers. This brings us to smishing, or SMS phishing. You might receive a text saying a package delivery is delayed or that your personal bank account has been locked. Because phone screens are small and texting feels so casual, it is incredibly easy to tap a link out of pure habit. To counter this, you have to build a new physical habit. Force your thumb to stop and pause before you tap any link in a text message. Texts feel personal and immediate, which means they actually require even more skepticism than a standard email. Attackers can also drop the written word entirely and just talk to you. This is vishing, or voice phishing. You pick up your ringing desk phone, and the person on the other end aggressively introduces themselves as IT support or a major supplier. They use their assumed authority, speaking quickly and putting pressure on you to hand over a network password or a verification code to fix a supposed emergency. Your best defense here is to hang up, find the official internal contact number for that department, and call them back to verify the request yourself. Caller ID is easily faked. A confident voice on the line is never enough proof to hand over sensitive organizational data. Threats have also moved off our screens and into our physical workspaces through QR phishing. Look at this flow diagram. An employee scans a seemingly harmless QR code on a break room poster, and it instantly redirects them straight to a fake, malicious login portal. Before you point your camera at a square, ask yourself two things. Do I completely trust who put this code here? And does the web address it suggests look perfectly legitimate? Just because a code is taped to a wall inside your building does not make it safe. Attackers regularly slap malicious sticker codes right over the real ones. While these traps arrive in different forms, protecting the organization relies on one universal routine. This graphic breaks down the 4-step checklist that applies across every device. Stop, check, verify, and report. That very first step, pausing and refusing to click, tap, scan, or share your information, is the most effective action you can take to halt an attack. Automated security filters catch a lot, but they cannot catch everything. Your own awareness is always the definitive first line of defense. So be alert, verify before you trust, report the message before it spreads, and help us build a strong culture of cybersecurity awareness.